If you want to add custom fonts to your Bluehost site, this guide will walk you through the easiest way to do it, step by step. Whether you're trying to improve your branding, make your website look more professional, or just give your pages a more unique style, adding custom fonts can make a big difference. And the best part is, you can do it right from your WordPress dashboard without needing any complicated code. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard through Bluehost. Once you're inside your site admin area, look at the left-hand menu and click Plugins, then select Add New. This is where you can install the tool that will let you upload and manage custom fonts on your site. Now in the search bar, type Custom Fonts by Brainstorm Force. This is the plugin we're going to use because it makes the process simple and beginner-friendly. When you see it in the results, click Install Now. After the installation finishes, click Activate. Activating the plugin is important because it turns on the font upload features inside your WordPress dashboard. Once the plugin is active, go back to the left menu and open Appearance, then click Custom Fonts. This is the area where all of your custom fonts will be stored and managed. If this is your first time using it, you'll see an option to add a new font. Click Add New Font and enter a name for your font. Choose something clear and easy to remember, especially if you plan to upload multiple font styles later. After naming it, you'll need to upload your font files. For the best performance, it's recommended to use .wob2 files whenever possible. You can also upload different weights of the same font, like regular, bold, or italic, depending on what your design needs. After you upload the files, make sure everything looks correct. Then click Save Font. This step adds the font to your website and makes it available for use across your WordPress theme or page builder. Now that the font has been saved, the next step is to apply it to your website. Depending on how your Bluehost site is built, you can do this through your theme customizer or through a page builder like Elementor. Open the page, heading, or text area you want to edit, then look for the typography settings. From there, choose your newly added custom font and apply it to your headings, body text, or any other element you want to style. If you're using Elementor, this usually means selecting the widget, opening the Style tab, and changing the font family under Typography. If you're using your theme customizer, the process may look a little different, but the idea is the same. Select the text area, open the font settings, and choose the custom font you uploaded. Once you've applied the font, preview your site to make sure it displays correctly on desktop, tablet, and mobile. This is an important final check because some fonts may look different depending on screen size. If everything looks good, you're done. And that's how you add custom fonts to your Bluehost site using WordPress. It's a simple process that can instantly improve your website's design and make your brand stand out more. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Bluehost and WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.